Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3. I bought this actually through my company program, so we're able to basically gather points and purchase whatever we want through our company program. I purchased this. I wanted to use it for my content, and I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff. I'll definitely include some video and audio from the DJI mic transmitter. So this does come with a mic transmitter, DJI Mic 2 transmitter, a Mic 2 clip magnet, which I'm excited to use. It also comes with a wide-angle lens, a DJI Mic 2 windscreen for when I'm outside. It comes with a case. It also comes with a battery extension and a mini tripod. It has a lot of cool stuff. So I'm really excited to open this up, use it. A lot of creators have been purchasing these. I got this for $4.99 from Walmart. So I saved a lot of money. And again, I used my company program, so I was able to use points that I gathered through, doing a good job, I guess, and then bought this for free. So, well, not really for free, through hard work. So yeah, unboxing this, it does have this Apple-esque, I've been saying this a lot, but I guess Apple does lead in the best unboxing experiences. One moment. There we go. It does come with extra wrapping, which is bad for the environment, but whatever. It does come with a seal, like what Apple does with their products, with an arrow to indicate where to remove the seal. So you get greeted with a very nicely packed box with a carrying case as well, which is great. And instructions, a really cool sticker. We love stickers, don't we? Bring the memory card. Love that. Gonna keep that. And there's a QR code for apps. That's it for the box. I love the way it's packaged. It's so well done. But let's just put that for the side. I just love DJI's packaging. I do have a DJI Mini 2, which I'm really a huge fan of. This is just the carrying case. I just wish these companies will go more into environmentally friendly packaging, like cardboard packaging. I'm fine with that. Cardboard paper, that's fine with me, Just wasting a lot of plastic in my opinion. So this is the carrying case, and you can also put the wide angle lens over here, which is like a great spot. It does feel great too, I'm gonna be honest. So we'll just put that on the side. Opening the case that comes with it, very nicely packed, very easy to open. The carrying case feels awesome. It does say Osmo. I love how tightly packed this is. I really do. It's very nice. And this is what you get. So the DJI Osmo 3, which is really small. It is very small. Like, look at that. That is extremely small. But it's really cool. Honestly, like such a small form factor. And the combo comes with the extra battery handle, which attaches to the bottom of the Osmo 3. Oh, there we go. Extends the battery life and gives it a better handle. I think I will keep this just connected to it all the time. Gives it a great handle. Let me just remove that. It's a nice clipping. I like the design of the clip. Great design. Huge fan. And then you turn it on. As you can see, it just has the gimbal start up. What else do we get? We get the mic, which I love. You have a clip with the mic. You can just put it right here if you don't want the windscreen on you. Or you can use the mini tripod, which is honestly really cool. I love how compact this stuff is, and you can just connect that with the battery extension right here. Very nicely done. Like, it's just so simple. Just an easy plop. And this is the No Idea extension. That's what it's called. It looks like this is just a mount extension instead of having a battery extension. So if you don't want the heavy weight, but you want an extension that's basically a dud, doesn't really do anything, you can extend the handle without having the extra weight, right? So if you want something lightweight, lighter weight, you can just use a dud extension, which is, I guess that's fine. I don't see the issue of just using the extended battery and having a longer arm to hold on to. I guess it's an extra for people who care about weight. You also get USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is where you get the wrist strap. I'm looking actually for the mic magnetic mount, which might be coming with the mic. I love this. This mic wind deflector is incredible. I do like the Mic 2 windscreen. I like the black and white. It looks pretty cool. Definitely will keep this on. I don't see why people don't have this on their mics. I don't see why I wouldn't keep it on. You know, it's an easy click. So the magnet is actually all the way in the back of the bag. It doesn't show, but this is the lens. I'll put that on the side, and this is the DJI magnet for the microphone. And I think it's a great design to have a magnet connect to your microphone. You can just have it kind of hidden if you don't want the windscreen to be on the mic and you want to hide the mic. I know the mic 3 is a bit smaller, so it's more inconspicuous, but I think it's really cool to have a magnetic mic. You're out there filming some content, you know, just easily have it over there. Don't have to think about it. Over here, I have this old $30 Amazon mic, which I mean has been working great, but I'm pretty sure this is going to give me better audio quality. And just in general, I can directly connect to the Osmo 3, and you can connect up to 2 DJI mic 2s to the Osmo 3. Now the Osmo 4, which has, I think that's a slight advantage, you can connect 4 DJI mic 3s. That's great. I think that's cool, but I don't know if I would be using more than 2, but it's always good to have the possibility to have more mics. So that's a huge difference that I think is a cool thing. I'll just put these right here for a second, and I'm gonna take maybe a day or two, shoot some content, you know, enjoy this product, show you guys what I filmed, and give you guys a solid review, and if it's worth purchasing this for about 500 to 600 bucks, depending on the offers around you. I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm very excited to use it. I want to improve my content on my page, and the cool thing about the DJI Osmo 3 is that you can record in D-Log and 10-bit. What does that mean? What that means is you can basically record a magnitude of colors because it's 10-bit. You can, without, you know, disrupting the color palette of the images or the videos. And for D-Log, it's a specific DJI film setting that allows for better dynamic range in post-production. So far, I have shot multiple review videos using the Pocket 3. It's an incredibly easy to use device, although it does have its occasional quirks. I can't wait to include some more videos and photos of this product and what it can produce. I'm really excited to use it for filming my content, filming my items, and in general, some reviews and maybe vehicles. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. I've been wanting to be a creator for a while, and I'm gonna try, you know, to work as hard as I can to do better. So please, if you guys have any suggestions or ways to improve, I'm more than happy to read them. And yeah, so thank you again, and welcome to the channel. Have a great day, guys. DJI Combo 3 Pocket. I'll show you some combo. What the fuck did I just say? Okay. Okay. I'll show you a combo, bitch.